I just had a few emails about this homework question. So I just wanted to offer a quick overview on how to use this structure draw program. I realize it's not probably familiar to many of you. And I also realize that this structure is not the exact same structure you have in your homework, but hopefully this kind of gives you an idea. So we want to start with the pencil and we're going to draw a line angle drawing. So we don't need to draw the hydrogens in this structure. I'm going to count the main chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So I'm going to draw out 6 carbons by simply just press, drag and hold, and then let go. And that'll make a carbon-carbon bond. And let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At each of these points in the line angle drawing is a carbon. So I've got 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I need to account for 2 methyl groups. The methyl groups are on the second carbon and the third carbon. So again, I'm just going to click and drag and let go, and that makes 1 methyl group. This makes the other methyl group. Now we need to put in the double bonds. So again, we're going to just click on where we want to start, drag, and then end. So there's 1 carbon-carbon double bond. And then the second carbon double bond is on the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it connects the 4th to the 5th carbon. So again, I'm going to click there, drag, and drop. And there is my next double bond. One thing not to worry about here, in this skeletal or in this condensed structure, we really can't tell E or Z configuration or cis or trans configuration. So we don't need to worry about that in the structure. So I drew the trans conformation. That's fine. We could have just as easily drawn the cis conformation, but let's just go and make sure that this is correct. So we'll check that. And yes, this structure is correct.